Hello, this is a video on how to clean a camera lens. This will work with both Canon and Nikon lenses. It's been tested with excellent results. I've had people use this and tell me that the lens actually ends up focusing quicker, and it focuses on moving objects much better than what it has previously. Like, obviously you need to try it for yourself. I can't guarantee this it'll work for you, but you know, it works for me. I shoot a lot of weddings and gigs, and it always gets in dirty situations where shooting a couple amongst some leaves, or lead singer of a band starts throwing water everywhere. You need to be able to clean your lens pretty quickly and with good results. The last thing you want is that golden shot, the shot that would really set your images apart, with a big dirt splodge in the middle or a poorly wiped lens. It's something I do with my gear every time before a big shoot, and I thought, well, it's time to share it with the world. Alright, so what you'll need, I've got some deionized water that's been boiled to make sure there's no microbes in it. We don't want any fungus coming on the lens. Got some cotton buds. They're good for getting off larger pieces. Some special fine, super soft, super fine cotton cleaning cloth. Some Brasso for those deeper marks. I can't stress how amazing this is. And I also got some window and kitchen surface cleaner. But the real magic is in the technique of this cleaner method. So one thing I found is, prevention's better than the cure, and you can get UV filters really cheap off eBay, and I always get them marked and scratched, and I use them almost disposably. I've quite a few times where either a football or someone's swung something around and hit the camera and actually damaged the UV filter, and it definitely saves the lens. And I definitely recommend you go and get one of those for every lens you've got. It's really important. You don't want to be damaging the lens. It's where you invest a lot of money. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is this. And as we can see, once more, the flower hammer has done it again. Now what we need to do is get this lens onto a camera and see how it handles. See if it can have a noticeable difference between it from before. Alright, so I put the lens back on the camera. Now I've cleaned it. Just give it a quick spray inside there, yeah. And you see it's not a drop, it's not a speck. You can see straight at the back. That is absolutely beautiful. You'll never take a clearer picture. And I don't know, I've shared this tip with so many people and just had such good responses. I look forward to hearing how it goes for you. Try it at your own risk. Enjoy.